Hey everyone, this is my everyday carry. First is my iPhone 12 Pro. You might be wondering what happened to the iPhone SE 3 from the previous video. I gave it to my son. As a self-proclaimed minimalist, I use my phone for nearly everything. I use my phone as a GPS, as a vlogging camera. Let's be honest, it is faster to capture moments on a smartphone than on an actual camera. Smartphone cameras are so good now that it is more than enough to record videos for social media. I also use it to consume content, especially when in bed or just about anywhere. Listening to music. Alarm. Ordering food for those days when we are too lazy to cook, which is probably every day. Next is my wallet from Herschel. I've been using this old thing for the past 4 years, and I would have still used it until my wife gave me a new one just a few days ago. I like it for it is small, thin, light, and protects my debit card from hackers. Next are my house and car keys. One of these days, I'll get myself one of those key organizers that every other YouTubers are using. My glasses, as I have poor eyesight. Finally, my Apple Watch. This is the Series 6. Some days I use my G-Shock when I forget to charge my Apple Watch. This accessory is optional, as I really don't care much if I wear one outside the house. I still tend to look at my phone screen even when I'm wearing one. And that wraps up my real minimalist everyday carry. Hope you enjoyed this very quick and simple video. Thanks for watching.